Welcome to session 17 of our CIS IRM preparation video. So in this video, we'll talk about audit management essentials. So what is audit? Audit provides a window into GRC data specific to the engagement that auditor is reviewing. The objective of audit management are to ensure that risks are appropriately identified and qualified. Controls are designed in a way that effectively reduce the identified risks. Controls are properly monitored for operating effectiveness. Control deficiencies are identified and remediated. The audit management and advanced audit management applications allows us to plan and schedule audits, conduct resource planning, scoping engagements, conduct audit activities, review continuous monitoring results, and report findings. During audit, entity will be picked and not entity type. When audit is scoped as specific entity, then all the risk and compliance data is leveraged. Audit report to leverage to leverage audit report to share findings. Advanced audit plans, auditable units, milestones, observations, PPM integration for resource planning. Audit plans and engagements. An audit plan helps to manage different types of audits in a periodic manner and groups engagements in a logical manner. An audit engagement is an audit project that may include audit tasks that accomplish a set of objectives or goals. Audit engagement scope with auditable unit or entity. Select an entity automatically selects all risk layer to entity. Controls, test plans, indicators, and then to engagement. All tasks provide document evidence that asset control is operating correctly. Possible types of tasks, control tests, interviews, walkthroughs, and activities. 4. Control test, interview, walkthrough, and activity. Test template and plan. Test template is audit test that applies to control. Design test, operation test. Audit engagement lifecycle, scope, validate and plan, fieldwork, awaiting approval, follow up and close. Personas, audit manager, which contains SNGRC manager and audit user. Audit user, SNGRC user compliance risk reader. External auditor, SN underscore audit, external underscore auditor, finance manager, is audit, audit admin, and then audit developer. Engagement project manager, SN underscore audit underscore advanced, engagement project manager. It has audit manager, assist manager, IT project manager roles. Auditor, SN underscore audit underscore workspace dot auditor. Audit supervisor, SN underscore audit underscore workspace dot supervisor. Common configuration request for external auditors. Grant external auditors direct access to audit management. Auditable units. SN Audit Advanced Auditable Unit is a table name. Entities are automatically read from entity filter from SN Audit Advanced Auditable Unit table. So data can be imported to audit units via data load. So let's look at this entity filter for this table. They'll navigate from entity type. So here we have entity filters. Let's open this. And here table is this. So here if you see auditable unit and this entity type is auditable units. And if you see it has two entities, which are these? So table is auditable unit and then all of that. So let's look at a record and go to the applies to record for this. Auditable unit. So here we have two records. Let's look at them. So we have name and we have owner information here. So it's basically there's a business unit department, winter, all of that. But yeah, uh, GRC, audit, management. Let's open this. Right, but that's that. So, and then we have yeah, I talked about that. Risk assessments. So advanced risk assessment can further enhance our process. So common controls. Common controls feature was introduced to reduce proliferation of the shared controls and allow the inheritance of control test results or the results of control compliance by other entities. Primary and reliant controls. A common control has a primary entity associated with it. Other entities associated with this common control are then referred to as the reliant entities. However, the primary entity of the common control is not scoped into engagement automatically just because the reliant entity was. When all tasks such as interview are created or reassigned, a notification is sent to assigned user. A notification is also sent when the task reaches 100%. There are only these are only baseline notifications. Then you have milestones. Milestones are created for an engagement to track progress of engagement. Part of advanced audit as a pending patch. There could be many risks associated with the pending patch update. Instead of opening an issue for each risk, all of them could be related to one issue. Okay, that's called pending patch. Issue relationship configuration. If risk is related to an issue, then entity of that risk will automatically be assigned to the issue through GRC administration, issue relationship configuration, administration control. Which items will automatically be related to an issue? And they have audit report templates. To access audit report templates, navigate to audit report. Enable record confidentiality, enable the SNGRC, enable record confidentiality system property in GRC profiles. That's about that. That's about audit management essentials. Thank you.